Hello everyone. In this video discuss about relations with more than one candidate key and good and bad decomposition. What is candidate key? Candidate key is a set of attributes that uniquely identify tuples in a table. Candidate key is a super key with no repeated attribute. The value of the candidate key is unique and non-null for every tuple. There can be more than one candidate key in a relation. For example, student number is the candidate key for relation student. The candidate key can symbol having only one attribute or composite as well. This table 1 show student is a relation. It contains 6 attributes, that is student number, student name, student phone, student state, student country and student age. And another example, student number, course number is composite candidate key for relation student course. Student course, this table shows 3 attributes, that is student number, course number and course name. Then discuss about decomposition. When a relation in the relational model is not appropriate normal form, then the decomposition of a relation is required. In a database, it breaks the table into multiple tables. If the relation has no proper decomposition, then it may lead to problems like loss of information. Decomposition is used to eliminate some of the problems of bad design like anomalies, inconsistencies and redundancy. There are two types of decomposition. First one is lossless decomposition and second one is lossy decomposition. First we will discuss about lossless decomposition. Decomposition is lossless if it is feasible to reconstruct relation are from decomposed tables using joins. This is the preferred choice. The information will not lose from the relation when decomposed. The join would result in the same original relation. Let us see an example. It contains employee information and it contains 6 attributes, that is employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee location, department ID and department name. Then it decomposes the above table into two tables, that is employment details and department details. First we employment detail is containing 4 attribute: employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee location. Then department details contain department ID, employee ID and department name. Now the natural join is applied on the two tables. The result will be employee information. This table show employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee location, department ID and department name. Then lossy decomposition. As the name suggests, when a relation is decomposed into two or more relational schemas, the loss of information is unavoidable when the original relation is retrieved. Let us see an example. This table shows employee information, employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee location, department ID and department name. Then decompose the table into two tables, that is department details and employment details. Employment details contain 4 attributes: employee ID, employee name, employee age, employee location. Then department details, it contains 2 attributes: department ID and department name. Now you won't be able to join the above tables. Then employee ID, it's not part of the department details in a relation. Therefore the above relation has a lossy decomposition. That's all. Thank you.